Alright, quickly, as requested, we're going to be treating number base. Though we started this topic before, if you can go through our previous class, we've already laid the foundation on number base, so you can go back to our previous class before. So now, we're looking at this one. It said convert 2x base 3 to base 10. Now listen, this one is a different question entirely. Don't allow it, it shouldn't bother you. Now look at it. When you have a question like this ET, there's a way we solve it. Now we have it. How many? 1, 2, 3. That's 3, abi? So 3 minus 1 will give us what? 2. Now what? 2 times the base is 3. So we'll put the 2 there. Are you there? Now, look, this ET, what this means is this base 3 that we have, we are going to be using it to work in this place. So after 3, what do we have? If we are going down now, after 3, what do we have? We have 2. So in place of this E, we'll replace this E, 2 will take the place of E. So we now have what? Plus 2 times our normal base. That's after this one is what? 1. Then going down again, after 2 we have 1, right? In place of T, we change it to 1. So we now have what? Plus 1 times our normal base. After 0, the 1, and we have what? 0. Do you understand it now? So it's as simple as ABC. What you just need to do when you have a question like this, work with the base that is given to you. If it was 5 that was given to you now, so here will become 4, because after 4, it's coming down now. After 5 is 4, so here will be what? 4. If it was 10, after 10, what do we have is 9. So here should be 9. So because here was 3, base 3, the base 3 they give us, that's why we are using 2. We are using, after 2 is 1. Do you get it now? It will now be more like 3, 2, 1. Are you with me? That's how you work it. Alright, now let's continue. So now I have 2 times 9. The square of 3 is 9. Plus any 3 raised to power 1 is what? The same thing. Plus any 3 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times what? 1. So 2 times 9 will give us 18 plus 6 plus 1. Everything here, after solving everything here will be what? 25. Where are we converting it to? Converting it to what? Base 10. This is your final answer. Is that okay? Now let's check this other example. This one is a bit complicated because it has a decimal. The ones we did in our previous class was not having a decimal. So what do you do? When you are counting digits, don't count the whole digit. Count the digit before the decimal. So 1, 2, 3. We have 3. So 3 minus 1 will give us 2. So we are going to work with this 2 for just the numbers before the decimal. So we now have what? 1 times. Okay, we have base 3. They gave us a base 3. 1 times 3. We counted 3 digits. 3 digits minus 1 will give us 2. So we'll put 2 there. Plus we have 2 here times 3. After 2 we have 1. Then plus the next one is 1 times 3. After 1 we have what? 0. Now this is where another you now come in with this. Now this one is just 1 digit here. Are you there? It's just 1 digit. So any time you are working with numbers after the decimal, you always come with a minus sign. When you are working with numbers after the decimal, you come with a minus sign. Starting with 1, then the next one 2, 3. So but here we only have 1 digit, so we are going to be using 1. So we now have plus 2 times our normal base 3 raised to power, because it is decimal, that's point. Now I have raised to power minus 1. Do you get it now? Then if we have another number here before, it will be plus that number times 3 raised to power minus 2. If we have another one raised to power minus 3, just like that and so on. You get it now? So because we have 1, we stop at what? Raised to power minus 1. If there's another number, it's minus 2. Get it now? So now let's continue. Now the square of this one will give us 1 times 9 plus 2 times 3 plus 1 times 1 plus 2 times minus raised to power minus 1 means 1 over 3. In indices, if you don't understand indices yet, we'll come to that. In indices, minus 1 means 1 over. That's what with 1 over this what? 3. That's what it means in indices. Now let's move on. So 1 times 9 will give us 9 plus 2 times 3 will give us 6 plus 1 times 1 will give us 1 plus then 2 times 1 is 2. So now I have what? 2 raised to power 3. 2 over 3, sorry. Do you get it now? So this plus this will give us 15, plus this will give us 16. So we now have what? 16 plus 2 over 3. Our answer can be equal to what? 16 whole number 2 over 3. In decimal, this should be 16.66 and some numbers. 67 or 665. So depending. Now, if you use your calculator, you will get the correct answer there. So the answer definitely is 16.66, 16.7, or if you approximate, you get it now. So that's the answer. If I approximate it now, to be 16.7. Yes, let's say 16.67. That's if we approximate it. Now let's move on to the next one. Now I just pick out the complicated ones, picking it just to give you a phrase of all the topics that are treated in number base. So now let's quickly look at this one. Now 158 base 10 plus 76 base 10. Now this is very simple. You just need to do your normal addition. You just have to write it like this, just the way we did it in kindergarten. Do you get it now? You understand this one now? So when you add these two, 8 plus 6, what will be the answer? It will give us 14. Put down 4, carry 1. Are you there? Then 5 plus 7 will give us 12. Plus that one you carry to give us what? 13. Put down 3, carry 1. Then 1 plus 0, 1. Plus that one you carry will give us what? 2. Then the answer is still in base 10. So this is our final answer, only 1 base 10. This is the simple way we solve this question. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly subscribe. And please, before you go, do not forget to strike the like button. Thank you. Let's stay blessed.